In this video, I will show you how to know if someone hides their story from you on Instagram. Now, as you can see, here are the stories that my followers or the one that I follow has. So let's say someone in my followers or my following is hiding their story from me. Now, the key thing to do is to go to your profile icon and then switch to another account. If you don't really have another account, you can just create a dummy account so that you will be able to see if they are hiding their story from you. So let's switch to another account. Now you have to follow that certain person that you want to verify if they're hiding their story. And if you have followed them, all you have to do is to look through their stories, and if you verify that their stories is up in this account, but on the other account, it doesn't really have the story that you have seen here, then they might be hiding their story from you. The downside of this is if that other person that you want to verify is in private account. So all you have to do is to have a follow request on them, and if they approve you, you will be able to see their stories and all their contents. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!